everyone! Welcome to the channel dedicated to sharing the profound insights and wisdom of Andromedan contactee Alex Collier. If you're new here, you're in for a journey that expands your mind and consciousness, bringing you closer to understanding the messages from the fifth density Andromedan extraterrestrials. For those returning, we're grateful for your continued support. Before we dive into today's enlightening content, we have a small favor to ask. If you find value in the knowledge shared in this video, please consider hitting that like button, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your engagement helps us amplify Alex Collier's message, allowing us to reach a larger audience with these vital messages. We'd also love to hear from you, so please engage with the comments below. Whether it's a question, your thoughts, or even just an emoji for the sake of engagement, every comment counts. We read every single comment, and your feedback is incredibly valuable to us. Additionally, if you'd like to support us further, consider giving a super thanks tip by clicking the heart with the $sign. This small gesture allows us to continue bringing you more of Alex's messages, unfiltered and directly from his lifelong experiences with the Andromedans. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy today's video.
Wondering about our emotional body, whether we came to it. Try again. Wondering about our emotional body, whether we came with it to Earth or it was installed once we entered the human form. I understand that once we enter fifth density and higher, the emotional body is either gone or just dormant. Share your insights about this, please.
Oh, I don't agree with that. I think it's expressed in different ways. I think it's expressed in very different ways, that's all, because the physicality is different. The best analogy I can give you, and that's a great question, thank you for that. That's not something we've dealt with in a while. You have a population on a planet that is the sum total of 22 to 24 different genetic races. And what I mean by that is that the cellular memory of these specific races is contained within our human physiology, our DNA. And now we have been crossbreeding with each other for 100,000 years. This has created a very different species because of all the genetic interbreeding and the sharing of the genetic memories of all these different extraterrestrial races. Whether we were aware of it or not, it's still present in our physiology. And we've had this extreme of emotions, whether it was built in or not, it's present, this extreme of emotions. We are capable of the most incredibly beautiful dreams, or these nightmarish, awful dreams. We're capable of incredible compassion to the point of hands-on healing or taking a life in the most brutal, awful way. If you look at the history of our galaxy and the many wars that have occurred from all the different species, we represent all of that right here, right now, in our civilization. we have been, for all that, we had still been suppressed. Because all of our cellular memory, whether it's past life or genetic memory that our bodies contain, is sitting right in the third strand of DNA. Just sitting there, waiting to be untapped. When that moment comes, when that event, whatever it looks like, comes, and that third strand is popped and now available to us, and then the fourth, so on and so on. Our civilization is going to create a morphic field that is going to change not only our galaxy, but it's going to expand out into the known universe. And it's going to exceed the dimensional plateaus, because we have souls here, soul groups here, from each of the dimensional planes in physiology here. It's going to be like opening up a bottle of champagne that is going to just go everywhere. Everywhere. Our galaxy will never be the same. None of the dimensions will ever be the same. They will all shift to some degree. It will be a ripple effect that is just going to go everywhere. And ladies and gentlemen, they know it, that this is not an accident. This was set up to happen the way it's going to happen. Now, if you're regressive and you want to control, what is the first thing you look for? Is you look for leverage. You want to control, you want to manipulate, so you use leverage. If you can't get leverage, then you figure out a way to compromise someone's. But now you have leverage if you can compromise them. Well, they used us to do that. I'm simplifying this, and I'm trying to keep it real simple. And I've said this for 35 years. There is so much more to us than any of us realize. This is not an accident. This was a plan. I don't know how old it is. I don't know who the first one was up to dream it up. But there's no way it's an accident. There's just no way. And that's all I know. That's all I know. So buckle up, buttercups. Because it's going to be a hell of a ride. It really is. It already has been, right? Yeah. But now we're getting to the dips and low and then high. And then low and then high and then just high. And then just high. So, can't make this shit up.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found it insightful, please like the video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on future updates. If you have any questions relating to today's video, please also leave them below. We read all the comments and take on board what our viewers have to say about Alex Collier's work. Remember, your support helps Alex Collier's knowledge and the messages from the Andromedans reach more people. If you'd like to support the channel even more, you can give us a super thanks tip by clicking the heart icon with a $sign. It really helps our team bring you more content. Also, be sure to visit alexcollier.org to sign up for our regular email newsletter. It's the best way to stay updated with the latest news, exclusive content, and upcoming live webinars. For the latest insights from Alex Collier, check out alexcollier.live. And if you want to explore over 250 past webinars, head over to alexcollier.tv. Thank you for being a part of this journey and supporting Alex Collier's work. We couldn't do this without you, and we're genuinely grateful for your support. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the vast mysteries of our universe. If you would like to see the Andromedan contactee Alex Collier live via video stream, we hold a live online seminar every Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. For more information on upcoming live webinars, please visit alexcollier.org.